Hey there! My name is Gantara and today I'll show you how to fix DNS Server Not Responding error. A domain name system, aka DNS, is a directory that translates domain names or host names into Internet Protocol, aka IP addresses. Sometimes, certain DNS error messages can be encountered when accessing a website, one of them being the DNS Server Not Responding message. This means that the web browser can't connect to the site because the DNS server fails to map host names to IP addresses correctly. I will go over 6 potential solutions to solve the DNS Server Not Responding issue. Troubleshoot network problems. Running network diagnostics is the first step to fix the DNS server isn't responding error. This method can help diagnose and troubleshoot all detected network issues and errors without much hassle. Here's how to run network diagnostics for both Windows and Mac computers. These are the steps to run network diagnostics on Windows 10. On Windows, go to the Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. Select the Troubleshoot Problems option under Change your networking settings. Click on Additional Troubleshooters, Internet Connections, run the troubleshooter. Wait for the troubleshooting process to complete. If an error message appears on the window, just follow the steps shown to repair the issue. Here's how to run wireless diagnostics on Mac OS. Close all open apps and connect to the network you're having the problem with. While holding the Option key, select the Wi-Fi status icon in the menu bar and choose Open Wireless Diagnostics. Follow the instructions on the screen to examine your network connection. Once the scanning process is complete, click on the info icon in the summary window to learn more about each entry on the list. Connect with a different device. Try connecting a different device to the same home network and access the site you're having trouble with. If the second device can access the web page using the same network, then the problem is with your primary device. Using other connections such as mobile data can also help ensure that the connection failing issue is not on the site's end. Switch to another web browser. Another simple solution to try when solving the DNS Server Not Responding issue is to visit the website from a different web browser. For instance, if your primary browser is Mozilla Firefox, try to access the web page from other browsers, such as Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome. If this method turns out to be fruitful, then update your default browser to the newest version or reinstall it completely. Restart modem or router. A modem or router that isn't properly functioning can also be the cause as to why a DNS server isn't responding and the connection is failing. Therefore, consider restarting your modem or router to clear the cache, potentially fixing the DNS server problem. Press the power button of your router or modem and unplug its power cable from the power outlet. Wait for at least 30 seconds before pressing the power button again to restart it. If restarting your modem or router doesn't work, try to reset to its default settings. Deactivate antivirus and firewall. Antivirus and firewall programs aim to protect your device from malicious software. However, these tools can also block your internet connection. Attempt to temporarily deactivate your antivirus and firewall programs to check whether or not they are the cause of the DNS server is not responding error. To access the antivirus and firewall settings on Windows, select the Start menu and click Settings, Update and Security, Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection. If you use a Mac computer, go to System Preferences, Security and Privacy, Firewall. After deactivating your antivirus and firewall programs, rerun their network diagnostics and open the website again from your browser. Disable other connections. Another solution to resolve the DNS server not responding issue is to disable unused connections on your device. Follow these steps to disconnect additional network connections on Windows. Navigate to Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings on the left column. The Network Connections page will appear. Right-click on Local Area Connection and other connections you're not using and select Disable. Here's how to disable other network connections on Mac. Go to Apple menu, System Preferences, Network. Select each of the unused connections on the left side of the screen and click the minus button to disconnect that connection. After disabling all unused connections, restart your browser and try re-accessing the website. And your error is solved. If you like this video, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to our channel. We put new tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.